You show you how you can use your what's it called? How you can use your dapps. That's the browser on your wallet. Because there are some projects that you might be trying to use it to do them on your normal browser and it's failing to connect. So even if you use maybe VPN, so just use your wallet browser. So we call it dapps. So when you get into it, like this is my own MetaMask. Then come to this side. So that's the browser. So when you come here, and the next thing you do is so you come to the top, then paste the link, then you load it up. So this EVM wallet, MetaMask is an EVM wallet. Then I click on it, then click on MetaMask, then click on connect. Can you see? So it's asking me to sync Twitter. So my wallet is connected. This is my wallet. It's already connected, is it? So then I go to sync Twitter account now. So my normal Twitter account is what I'm going to use. So I'm authorizing this now. So I'm syncing my Twitter account. So it's this. You can see my Twitter is connected now. Okay. So there it is. So we are good to go. You can see you said you have registered. We are currently reviewing your eligibility and we are now sitting 9 days. So there we go. That's it. Simple.